Hello guys, this time we came up with the tutorial of another feature from your very favorite employee management tool EmpMonitor. To ensure optimum enthusiasm and productivity from your employees, it is very important to have consolidated reports in your hands. So let's take a quick look at what EmpMonitor has stored for you. Log in to the EmpMonitor dashboard through your credentials. Click on Reports. Here you will get three options: Reports Download, Productivity Reports, and Auto Email Reports. Let's select Reports Download option. Then choose a download option. Let's select all for now. Click on Generate CSV. Customize your report. And then hit the Submit button. Your report will get generated within a few seconds. Then click on Download Files, choose a report you want to download, and open the file to view the downloaded report. Similarly, if you want the website used data of your employees, click on the Download Files option, hit on the Website Used report. The report will get downloaded. You can view all websites your employees have visited. Now let's check out the other part of this report feature. Again, go to the Reports options and click on the Productivity Reports. Select a range of dates, location, employee, and department to get the customized report, and you will see the productivity report in the form of charts and graphs. Just click on the Export CSV and Export PDF to download the reports, and once downloaded, open the files to view them. Coming to the third and very interesting module of this feature, Auto Email Reports. Click on Create New Reports. Give a report title as per your wish. Select the frequency. Enter the email ID of the recipients you want to send email to. Choose the type of report and format. Select to whom you want to send the reports. Click on the Send Test Email option to check and save it. Now you can see your created report on the screen. Just click on the Edit symbol under the Action column if you want to make any changes and click on Save. Reports will be sent to the respective people automatically. You can also delete the reports you have created from here. So, this was a quick overview of the Reports feature of EmpMonitor. If you need any help or face issues, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over Skype.